Hello friends, welcome back in a new video. Here I have made a PID based DC motor position control system. As you can see, the DC motor is moving precisely to the given angle. I am sending angle input to the Arduino via Bluetooth app. This is a very good project to learn how PID system will work. So let me tell you what is going on here. So we have our microcontroller Arduino Uno. This microcontroller gives the signal to the motor driver, and this motor driver runs the DC motor, and the DC motor is connected with the encoder. So this encoder gives a feedback of position of DC motor to the Arduino. So in this way this became a closed loop system. Now we as a user input we have an Android mobile, so we are sending our input to the Arduino via Bluetooth. So as user put the input for the position of the DC motor, the Arduino will command the motor driver to run accordingly. When DC motor runs, it at the same time encoder start giving feedback to the Arduino. As soon as the motor reach the desired position, the Arduino stop feeding signal to the driver, and driver stop the DC motor at the location. In this way we will achieve the precise position, and all this calculation is based on PID, and PID means proportion integral derivative.